up in Victorville. Aircraft Boneyard. There are hundreds of these guys sitting here. That must be look at that giant one. There's a bunch of FedEx ones. Getting real windy here. Here's a closer look. There are airplanes from all over the world here. Some I never even heard of. Not that I know of all. That's a giant one, look at that. It's grabbing parts out of these. I don't see any military planes here. That doesn't mean there aren't any tucked away somewhere. There's a lot of FedEx over there. There's a giant Qantas. Let's see what's going on with those. I want to get over there. There's another huge, old, heavy. I'm at the far end now. The northern part of the Boneyard. This must be FedEx Boulevard. Look at that huge giant one. Let's see what's going on over here with these guys. It is windy as hell. I'm trying to keep still. My Steadicam is on. My best, guys. Alright, so now I'm the farthest northern part without having to jump a fence. This is Qantas Boulevard also, and Air New Zealand way back over there. There's another Kiwi. It is completely dry out here all year round. These things will last for years out here. Most likely they've already been out here many, many years. By the looks of the paint jobs and the names of the planes,